Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. I haven't been doing my I look a little brolic. Shirt a little too little too. I haven't been doing my reaction videos, and I seen Machine Gun Kelly has been trending on fucking YouTube or whatever the case may be. This and G-Eazy and shit. So we about to get into this video. Let's get into it, man.
What's good? This is Machine Gun Kelly. Make sure y'all tune in. We're about to drop a major bomb on them. Tune in, Funk Flex.
I heard Machine Gun Kelly freestyle once.
Part 2. We know what it is. Funk Flex.
What we doing?
Let's get to it. Yeah.
All right, take it off the jacket. Take it off the jacket.
Yeah. Part 2. Shout out Flex. Shout out Puff. Cleveland. Hey. Young Gunner. Alright, Flex. Look, where were you when I was down? I got questions. Now I saw these hoes in the lounge at the West. I just met somebody's parents, left a bad impression. They smelled the package that I just picked up from the reception. Hey, fuck 'em, I'm stressing. I don't learn my lesson. Customs locked me down in LAX for co-possession. Just had a publicist that left, said I was too aggressive. That had an ex that couldn't stand me cause I'm not possessive. Impressive. I just wanna say, I ditched the VMAs and went back up the way. Ayy, from the ghetto to a rock god, hit 'em up like pop. Let's just keep it G. Only easy I fuck with is E. I seen he dyed his hair and got a hanging near him. I fucked this girl, now he look like me. This shit overbearing. I dare him. Don't think about comparing. Man, turn that frat rap off. I'm getting sick of hearing it. I'm in LA at my spot, right next door to Terrence. I'm knocking on the door next time I see Kanye's McLaren. Like I need beats, ayy. Like hook me up with Kendall. Man, all the masses out in Calabasas got me mental. Bitch, I'm a dog, yeah, I came up out the kennel. When that teardrop on my partner Ryan, cause he's sentimental. Look, I told you that I'm coming. Yeah, they should've left me doing pop. Y'all don't want me gunning. My daughter's with me, ain't no school yet, it's the end of summer. So close your ears, your daddy's about to kill these motherfuckers. Lyrically, I'm 6 feet, I'm 23 MJ on the beat, I'm stronger, faster by design. I'm a Lambo, you a Nissan. I'm the big bad wolf, no peace sign. Better give these fans they tea time. I would tell they mans he'd be fine, but then I'd be lying. I'm honest. In that all black range with a long list of names, duct tape, don't say Clinically, I'm insane. Industry is full of lanes. Gone when the cops came on. Paper planes on. Sugar cane on. To the brain, bottle drain. I'm the pain on. I'm just saying on. I'm ashamed on. I paid this lane and they don't even say my name. Yeah, I'm white. Yeah, I'm rock and roll. Yeah, I got soul. Yeah, my daughter's black. Yeah, I love to rap. Yeah, I'm fighting back. Yeah, I hate the fame. Wish I had a mask. Yeah, I got pulled over with my stylist. Had no license and a strap. Plead the fifth. That ain't sex. Ayy. Speak some facts. Ayy.
He going in.
Dummies love money. Do some math. 7 digits in my 20s. Yeah. A misfit. Fuck the critics. Every one of y'all. I used to burn a Fader magazine in public. Yeah. Just cause one journalist a hater and a sucker. Yeah. High school reunion on my calendar. You know I'm ready. I'm leaving tour just to show up. You know I'm fucking petty. I ain't forgetting none of you pussies and the rest of y'all been playing too long. Let's take it back to Vegas on my 22nd at the Palms. Got a call. My life was being threatened by a pimp. He ain't know I'm in the room with 20 goons and Jay Prince. Now I'm pissed. Y'all done made me talk my shit. I was chillin', now I'm back to being a villain in this bitch. 2012 came to flex, now this is part 2. Fuck with me in part 3, might be about you, Kels.
Disrespectful. I got respect to all that because there's so many things was said and happened. Machine Gun
He ain't playing.
Flex, bars, Ciroc Studios. Hey! And he dropped off some dome for the kid. Alright? You trying to get an opportunity to spit some ball?
I always knew he had a rap ability, but I never really took him serious. But that shit, I like that one. I don't know what's his beef with G-Eazy. I never even knew they have a beef, and I don't pay attention to G-Eazy like that. So this is different to me, and I think he killed that shit personally. If you ask me though, that shit crazy. And I heard G-Eazy got a response. I gotta go check that out. But you know, like, comment, subscribe. Tell me how y'all feel about the freestyle. I like it. Tell me how y'all feel. And if you have the history between him and G-Eazy, please comment that shit.